if you're looking for a bit of a doer-upper, this one could very well fit the bill. A lovely road, Walerand Road, just round the corner from Lewisham Station and DLR, which is 10 minutes to London Bridge, Charing Cross, Victoria, Waterloo East. DLR, of course, whisks you to Canary Wharf. And this is the entire hall and lower ground floor of this great house, 1,000 square feet, 2 double bedrooms, with an incredible private garden. It does need quite a lot of work. I don't want to get run over. The Heath is just around the corner, actually. It's probably 3-4 minutes walk. And Blackheath Village is a 20 minutes walk maybe, but rush out, it's actually a really quiet road. About a 20 minutes walk, but you're walking past some of the finest houses in the area. It's actually a really lovely walk down past the Heath. And it's this. Look at this. It's huge. But you are going to need to tackle a bit of work. And you might want to get an architect in as well. Let me show you around. So here we are. I'm guessing you're probably going to use this as the living room. Look at these windows. These ceilings are nearly 3.2 metres high. A really great size room. A lovely room. And the bedroom at the back here is pretty fantastic actually. Look at this. Very nice. And French doors straight out to the private garden at the rear, which is about 60 foot. I think we'll show you that at the end actually, just to keep you primed and watching. So downstairs there's another bedroom, bathroom, kitchen, slightly strange configuration, you might change it around a bit. Separate WC here, and there's another door out to the garden. This could be your bearings. As we go down here, there's a kitchen, rudimentary but adequate to keep you going until you've got your kitchen fitters in, and pretty good sized bedroom. So these ceilings are nearly 2.5 metres high. There's loads of storage. There's a storage cupboard just behind you there. There's a storage cupboard over there. And there's a big old storage cupboard in the hallway as well. Probably laundry cupboards, storage cupboard, bathroom at the end, pretty basic, probably don't need to see it. And then we'll finish up in the garden. So there is another entrance on the lower ground floor as well, so you could use that as a private entrance if you wanted. And then we're out here to the garden, which is pretty cool. As I say, 60 foot private to the flat. Really nice. Again, a garden like the flat needs a little bit of TLC, but great potential. Let me know what you think. Please subscribe to my YouTube channel. And please take the time to subscribe to our new Welcome to Blackheath and Greenwich YouTube channel, which we've recently launched, where we'll be featuring videos on local businesses, charities, venues, gyms, schools, just shining a light on all the fantastic things that are going on in the area that people don't always know about. So if you're thinking of moving to the area, or you do live in the area, then that's a really good place to have a look, see what's going on, and things that you might be interested in taking part in yourself. If you do hop over there, please give my videos a thumbs up and leave a comment. We just started the channel, so we're looking to drive it forward, and any support you can give us will be much appreciated. Thank you very much. Hope you like this. Leave a comment. See you next time.